YouTube, it's your boy Maestro Brady in the building, and you already know how we do it. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to, change how you looking from your afro into curl. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, y'all. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Glee! So the things you're gonna need for this video is this. Yes, a pick, some water. You're gonna need a shower cap, a blow dryer, and you're gonna need some type of moisturizer. I'm gonna be using these two. Shoot, my fault. I'm kind of blind for a second. According to my calculations, while I'm doing this video, I thought I was recording the part where I sprayed my hair. Turns out I wasn't. So the first step actually, since it wasn't in there, is to wet your hair. Now you're gonna wanna apply your moisturizer. Want to go ahead and take your pick. As you guys can see, my curl is actually forming. Now after you're finished picking your hair, it should look like this. And you're gonna want to throw your shower cap on for 10 minutes. And then we will add our next moisturizer. Now once that 10 minutes is up, you can go ahead and take it off. Now we're gonna add our double buttercream. Now after you finish rubbing it in for let's say 2 to 3 minutes, your hair should be looking like this. Now the last and final step you guys are gonna wanna do is go ahead and use a blow dryer. Now I hope when you guys finish blow drying your hair, this is how it looks. You feel me? Bow! Stop playing. Ooh. Now if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, love your hair, pick up NAIR.